guys, it's boy Entitygamer back in a video, and today in this video I will be showing you guys giving you guys a review. And I've been posting a lot of review videos these days. I've posted the Fine Learners review, my last video was that. So now I'm back with another one, okay? Because I want to get all the reviews aside before I do something else, okay? So the thing I'm reviewing is these brush pens from Camilin. So I know brush pens are pretty expensive as Tombow or Copic, but these aren't. They are entry-level good brush pens for calligraphy and art. Okay, they come in a max pack of 24. That's what I have. They also have an artist pack, but that's limited to 12 colors. Okay, so these brush pens are really nice as they have a very pigmented tip, and they are water-based, not like Copics. They are water-based, and you can use them with water, and blend them with the help of brush. Okay, I've had these for a long time now. Before the lockdown, I bought it in January last year, and they have lasted me a lot. Okay, you can make some good artworks with this, no doubt. They're really good. I am over with the black one. They gave me two blacks, but I'm over with both of them. One is lost, but I got over with them. But this one is here, but this is also dead. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, let me just go through all the colors and swatch them on a piece of paper for you. Okay, so now guys, I'm back with all the color swatches on the piece of paper, and it is a normal paper, like chart paper that you can buy, and these are all the colors. And fortunately, the black worked. Yeah, it worked. And the black is really good for inking. I don't know how it works, but it is. But the tips are a bit frayed now that I have used it for a long time. It happens with these brush pens, as you're getting what you're getting for the price that you're paying. Okay, so these colors are really good. These are all the swatches. They are vibrant. You got one skin tone, a light gray and a dark gray. You got a goldish ochre color sand. You have some neons like this. This one a pink and a fluorescent yellow, but you also have an orange. Let me just grab it. I forgot to swatch it, okay? This is the orange, bright. Okay, you cannot see that much of a difference between both of these, but they are pretty good. It's a bit lighter that you can see, but this one is vibrant, okay? So now I'll just give you guys a blending test. Well, let's do it in between the red and the orange. Okay, they blend pretty well. They're water-based, so you can use water, a brush dipped in water to blend them easily. Okay, so I'll just layer a thin layer of orange, and then red over it, and again blend them together. Just zoom it in. Yeah. So I can just blend them, and they blend really nicely. Okay, let's try blending the yellow into it. But you will face some hard time or problems. I'm running out of yellow, so you'll face some problems blending like different shades with different shades. Like if you want to blend red and a marine green, aqua green or something, it's hard, okay? Because they are not like Copic. It's very hard to blend it, and you will start fraying the paper, like the paper will come out. the fiber of the paper, but it's very hard to blend different colors, but the same shade works, like yellow, orange, and red and greens or purples together, or blues. Okay, so that works, and I made some artworks with this, so I will just show you guys. So I have lined this artwork, like inked it with the black brush pen. You can see I got some good line variants. I also used ball pens for the shading and some thinner areas, but most of it is the black brush pen. This is a doodle artwork that I colored with it. I think it turned out really well, because of all the blends you can do with it and everything. I think it will turn out really good. And this is when I used it with water. I'm not a watercolor painter or a paint artist. That's why I didn't did it well, but that's what you can do, or even better if you're good at watercoloring. Okay, I tried some crystals over here, and this is another artwork that I used it in. It's like an illustration piece, and yeah. So these oil pastels are really good to work with, and they're really nice. After time, it's like it gets embedded into the paper. It's like it's printed, but no, it's not. You can still activate it with water. And I like this thing, like this gradient, how this gradient came out. I like that thing a lot, this volcano eruption. Okay, so guys, as for the result, final verdict, these are really good. Okay, you can work with it. There's no problem in working with it when you are a beginner. These are really good, because these are my first brush pen that I've worked with it, and they work really nice. Okay, they layer down really nicely. On the camera it's a bit dull, it looks like a bit lighter in, but on paper it is not light. Okay, you can really work out with it. These are really good brush pen, and there will be a link down below to buy it if you wanna, from Flipkart or Amazon, whichever online shopping app you use. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, turn notification, and bye. Peace out.